Have you experienced that your laptop screen suddenly went black? This actually happened to my laptop today, and I felt worried that this would be fixed within that day because I have loads of documents to be done. And this is how I fixed it. You are supposed to see your desktop seconds or minutes after you've turned on your laptop. However, in my case, this is what happened. When I turned on my laptop, the screen went black, though the power is on. The laptop's charger is plugged in. The cursor is visible. This is what I did. I just pressed the power button for 15 seconds to turn off the laptop. And waited for 10 seconds to turn the power button again. And yes, it actually worked. Hope this is of great help when you experience this.